Hello everyone, welcome to this class. This is Teacher Simon taking you through Cambridge International AS and A-Level Pure Mathematics 1 for May-June 2023, paper 1-1. Question 1 is coming from Trigonometry. Solve the equation 4 sin theta plus tan theta is equal to 0 for theta ranging from 0 to 180 degrees. Now we can express this tan of theta in terms of sine and then the cosine, okay? And which is equal to 0. Then we can multiply everywhere by the cosine of theta to eliminate this denominator. That means here we shall have 4 sine theta cos theta, then plus, when I multiply it here, it disappears, so we shall have sine of theta, which is equal to 0. Now, sine theta, you can see here that it is common. So if I factorize it out, then I will have 4 cosine of theta plus 1 inside here, which is equal to 0. So meaning sine of theta is equal to 0, and then theta becomes the arc sine of 0. And this one gives us 0 degrees, 180 degrees, it gives us 360 degrees. But 0 is not inclusive, 180 is not inclusive, so that means we are not taking any answer from here. Then I can get this one here, 4 cos theta plus 1, I equate it to 0, and then cos theta becomes negative a quarter. So theta will be equal to the arc cos of a quarter, negative a quarter. So when you put this one in the calculator, you are going to get the obtuse angle. Okay, then to get the other angle, you will get 360 minus what you have gotten. Okay, first of all, we know that using the 4 quadrants here, cosine is positive in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Then it is negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. When we are moving anti-clockwise, the angles are positive. When we move clockwise, the angles are negative. So here this will be 90 degrees, this will be 180 degrees, then this will be 270. If I project an angle here which is theta, then also this other side opposite angles are equal, that will be theta. Same here, and also here, theta. That means to move from here up to here to get the angle in the second quadrant, that will be 180 degrees, then minus theta. In the third quadrant, it will be 180 plus the theta. And then here it is 360 minus the theta. Okay, because remember, we look at the deviation from the horizontal angles, from the horizontal axis. So from here, many times I've always told people, because this one is a negative, you're supposed to pick angles in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant here. But since we are moving from 0 to 180 degrees, I don't even need to waste time. I just say arc cos of this, it will give me the angle here straight away. The calculator has to be in degrees, so shift, then cos, then negative a quarter. This one gives us 104.5, 104.5 degrees, which is to 1 decimal place. As simple as that.